If your car feels fine at idle but stumbles or jerks when you accelerate, that's a misfire under load. This usually happens when the engine is under stress and needs more spark or fuel. Common causes include failing ignition coils, worn spark plugs, fuel delivery issues, or clogged injectors. You may notice hesitation, shaking, or loss of power when getting on the gas. Driving like this can damage the catalytic converter over time. If your car misfires when accelerating, Wrench Wizard AI can help you pinpoint the most likely cause.